Yeah, a smooth nigga tryna hit the news. Before I had the Porsche, I used to Audi cruise. Hot nigga, so don't touch the dude. I like my girls in twos. See with a builder, cause I keep a tool. And I just wanted some buns, so ain't no keeping you. Don't get me twisted, it was fun, but they don't need you. You wanna spend time, but you just spend a few. Because I never had a dime for a bitch for you. Now I'm screaming, fuck the cost, I'm a fucking boss. My team full of winners, never seen a loss. I'm never single, I keep Nina Ross. Cause if a nigga try to lie me, then he getting crossed. Out of control, I'm breaking the rules. She digging my swag, just Giuseppe's for shoes. And don't ever oppose 6, you will fucking lose. Women ask me this, they ask me that. Waking up to missed calls, not hitting them back. And you know I've been peace since the Similac. Don't be fucking with my team, nigga, it's a rap. 6 letters with this shit, get a whiff of that. Got your girl wearing my clothes cause she feeling that. And once she give me that pussy, you know I'm doing that. You the type of nigga take a loss and don't get it back. Shit, I backed the Porsche once and I brought it back. With the gold 22s, niggas hating that. Nigga, it's real rap, ain't no faking that. And I stays with the racks, ain't no taking that. Cause I stays with the straps so that I keep them back. Dummy, niggas mad and I think it's funny. World domination is what I'm thinking, honey. And shit, I ain't got no kids, so I'm raising money.